My dear viewers, welcome to Biology at Priyajit. In today's class, we journey into the extraordinary world of Onychophora or Peripatus, a rare group of living fossils that beautifully bridge the evolutionary gap between annelids and arthropods. These soft-bodied, velvety creatures look like caterpillars, yet possess features that reveal a remarkable evolutionary storyline. Today's class will show why onychophorans are considered a missing evolutionary link, how their features help us understand the origin of arthropods, and what makes Peripatus one of biology's most fascinating organisms. By the end, you will clearly understand their body plan, anatomical peculiarities, and their evolutionary importance in connecting segmented worms to modern arthropods. Onychophora, anatomical peculiarities and affinities. Primitive features. Onychophora are soft worm-like body covered by thin, flexible chitinous cuticle. The animals are sluggish in movement. Their head has 3 segments, less than arthropods which have 5 to 6 segments. Nephridia are segmentally arranged. Their cilia present in reproductive ducts. Unique or sole peculiarities, their segmentation are externally indistinct. Head appendages include antenna, jaws and oral papilla. Their skin texture present with papilla and marks. Their many unjointed stumpy legs ending in claws, not like parapodia. Their tracheal system and spiracles structures are not arthropod-like. Slime glands present near oral papilla that eject sticky fluid for prey capture or defense. They have no blood pigments and presence of subcutaneous hymal channels. Salient features. The caterpillar-like body, 5 mm to 15 cm long. They are soft, thin, flexible, cuticle, periodically molted. Their external segmentation is faint. 13 to 43 pairs of unjointed Lobopod legs ending in claws. Their skin is with wrinkles and tubercles. Their simple eyes like annelid polychaetes. Their head with 3 pairs of appendages like antenna, mandibles and oral papilla with the slime glands. Their body wall is dermomuscular with smooth muscles, coelom is reduced and they have a hemocoel cavity. It has open circulatory system with tubular heart along body and they have simple trachea with scattered spiracles. One pair of nephridia is present per body segment. Ladder-like nervous system is there with dorsal gonads. Their sexes are separate. Internal fertilization, reproduction may be oviparous, ovoviviparous or viviparous with placenta. Direct development is found in them. Their cleavage varies. They are basically nocturnal and carnivores. Affinities of Onychophora. Onychophores show mixed characteristics of Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. Affinity with Annelida. Body segmentation is homonymous. Their nephridia is in most body segments are present. Their ciliated reproductive duct is there. Soft, flexible skin and dermomuscular body wall is there. They have no distinct head region. Their simple eye structure is present like polychaetes. They have hollow unjointed legs, resemble parapodia. They have slime and coxal glands like annelids. They have straight alimentary canal and worm-like body shape. Embryonic similarities. Sperm is similar to oligochaetes and leeches. They have meroblastic cleavage. Their gastrulation is occurred by epiboly. They have a long blastopod. Their differences from annelida. Their mouth is ventral, unlike annelids. Heart is lateral with ostia present. Clawed appendages are present, antenna present, ladder-like nervous system is there, tracheal respiration is found in them, no true external segmentation is found, their skin is textured, different gonad arrangement, body cavity is hemocoel, probably arose from annelid-like ancestors but not true annelids. Affinity with arthropoda and their similarities. Legs with claws, walking with muscular, not annelid locomotion. Their jaws are modified appendages. Dorsal tubular heart with ostia. Hemocoel is present instead of true coelom. Body cuticle is chitinous and molted. Their jaws with striated muscles. Antenna is present. Their brain resembles arthropod brain. Tracheal respiration. Excretory organs like crustacean green gland. Their development pattern is similar to arthropods. Differences. Spiracle arrangement is primitive. They are permanently open. The jaw movement direction is unusual. The skin is not arthropod type. They have post head segments are identical. There is no clear segmentation. No malpighian tubules are there. Legs are unjointed and numerous. Their eyes are simple. Ventral nerve cords are not fused. There is no clear tagmata or head, thorax, abdomen. Morphology places Onychophora closer to Arthropoda, but major differences keep them separate. This is the image showing the arthropod. So they are sluggish like body shape, nervous system ladder like, somewhat like chitons or prosobranchs, antenna is tentacle like. Conclusion, its resemblance are mostly superficial. Origin and evolutionary views. Key fossil ancestor, Astacia pedunculata. It was discussed in Cambrian, that is 520 million years ago. Important view, Hills proposed that the Peripatus came from tracheate arthropods. Thompson and Riche related to annelids and ancestral tracheates. Snodgrass and Stromer said that they are originated from common annelid arthropod ancestor. Tags and Manton proposed that they are originated from generalized Lobopod ancestor, and Srock proposed that independent group from Trochophora ancestor. Geological importance, they show discontinuous distribution. They act as a living connecting link between annelids and arthropods. Systematic position, Peripatus or Onychophora shows a mixture of characters, so no exactly in ancestral to annelids or arthropods. Many zoologists give it phylum status as Onychophora. Modern systematics said that they are sister group to arthropods. Evolutionary significance shows transitional features between annelids and arthropods, yet many specialized traits indicate separate evolutionary position. Important evolutionary traits: jaw evolution from appendages, primitive tracheal system, primitive eye structure. So Onychophora is ancient and separate on a evolutionary branch, not a direct ancestor of arthropods. So to conclude, Onychophora stands as one of biology's most intriguing evolutionary groups. Their anatomy reflects a fascinating blend of annelid-like, arthropod-like features, soft segmented bodies with unjointed lobopod legs, yet a hemocele tracheal system and chitinous cuticle like arthropods. Unique structures such as slime-shooting oral papilla, antenna, simple eye and distinctive reproductive strategies make them anatomically peculiar and evolutionary significant. Thank you.